I stood glaring into the fridge. The thought of choking down another dry, tasteless breakfast was just too much. Screw it. I quit. I stifled a sob, surrendered to my craving, reached for the milk, and grabbed my daughter's box of Lucky Charms. Without a word, my husband Todd just fetched us each a bowl and a spoon. He knew the drill. Another defeat in a war we were slowly but surely losing. He looked what I felt like. Guilty, tired, frustrated, depressed, and so darn hungry. Both of us were sick to death of the diets, the workouts, the calorie counting, tired of the cravings and hunger, and with nothing to show for it. I reached down, grabbed the roll around my belly, and looked back at my cereal bowl. It was all I could do not to scream or sob. Todd and I had been locked in a hopeless battle with our creeping belly fat for years. The thing is, for the most part, we eat healthy. We exercise together, and we've tried all the diets. Low carb, low fat, paleo, calorie counting, not to mention all the fancy diets like Dr. Bernstein, Atkins, Weight Watchers, Herbal Magic, Jenny Craig. We spent thousands of dollars we couldn't afford on the salary of 2 cups, and nothing worked. No matter how hard we tried, no matter how much money we wasted, no matter how many nutritionists and specialists we saw, unexplainably, we just keep getting a tiny bit fatter every month, every year. Which is why I made this short video for you. Because if you've ever felt even a smidge of what Todd and I were suffering, like the cravings, then the binges, the creeping unexplained weight gain, feeling tired a lot of the time, brain fog at the most awkward moments, feeling hungry all the time, even when you just ate, and never being able to lose weight, even when you eat right, then the shocking reason for it, which has almost nothing to do with your diet, along with the simple solution I stumbled on, is about to lift a terrible weight from your shoulders. A weight I had been carrying for so long and that nearly crushed me on that horrible morning. So, can you blame me if I felt like smashing something or just getting back in bed and sobbing myself back to sleep? Because it had been another rough night. I was exhausted, and I could tell that Todd was too. Plus, I could see shame in his eyes, because it had happened again last night. His monsters took over. The terrible and lingering scars of decades on the SWAT team. He was thrashing and sweating. I tried to wake him from his suffering, which is when he came within an inch of punching me in the face. He barely came to his senses before his fist connected, wrenching his arm back just in time, but I could see the shame eating at him. Not just because he almost hit me, but because it had been going on for so long and was taking a toll. What he didn't know, what I'd been hiding from him, trying to protect him, is that even on most nights when he thought he was sleeping well, he would toss and turn all night in a shallow sleep, reliving the terrors that haunt him, and I'd go to bed every night hoping desperately to get a decent sleep. And as you're about to discover, I soon learned a shocking truth, that our poor sleep was devastating to our health, and even more shocking, it had everything to do with our creeping belly fat.
Hello everybody, today I have a very special review for you. First of all, just let me say that this is such a lucrative product. It has just helped me tremendously so far. I made the right decision. The best part is you can reference and ask questions at any time to use this. Order today with confidence, and if you put this information to the test for 60 days and you don't see results, and if you feel that this product does not help you, you will receive 100% of your money back. So that basically means that there's nothing to lose. Before I went to this whole purchasing process, I searched to find a discount, and I found a huge discount. Would like to get the same discount? It's a tendon in some money. Just go visit this link below, and thanks for watching. Have a great day.